Tā kiri tū te Kotahitanga. Tā kiri tū te mana motu hake. Tu he mauri ora. E te ariki, titiro mai ki a mātou. Arahina mātou ki te ora pai marire. E ngā maunga whakahi o te motu hoki mai. E ngā rangatira o te iwi Māori, o te ao katoa, tēnā koutou. Nau mai, haere mai. Thank you all for coming. I want to acknowledge our overseas guests, King Tupou, Queen Anasi, Pomare Ariki, Ratu Tawhita, Tauariki, and friends of Hawaii. I'll just divert a little bit here. When we write my kōreros, you know, these fellas got to listen to me for a couple of days. And then they turn it into something that makes me sound clever. So I just like to put a plug in for my office, Mira, Ruku. Anyway, it's been a big year. In January, we all gathered here for the Huia Motu. And since then, we've been on the go. I want to thank Tumuaki Manuao and the people of Ratana, along with the iwi of Tai Tokerau, Ngāti Kahungunu. Beginning at Ratana, Waitangi and Omahu has been important. We've heard a lot of kōrero and seen amazing sights. And it's not over yet. Next up is Ngaitahu in October. See you there. Let's keep working for Kotahitanga. Our Kotahitanga as te iwi Māori must be focused on our future and where we are going. I believe that the future is a new horizon where Māori take the lead. You've shown me and we have shown ourselves what we can achieve when we lead. Kura tuarua, kapahaka, ako ararau, toi tū te reo are just a few examples. Let's keep pushing forward. While we are currently facing a storm, there's no need to worry. In this storm, we are strong. Together. The wind in our sails is Kotahitanga. And with that, we will reach our destination. Our Kotahitanga shouldn't be focused on fighting against the government. Instead, we need to focus on getting in the waka and working together. Kotahitanga, because of us, Kotahitanga, What's this, Nita? You made a mistake. Kotahitanga, because that's what we want. Don't tear ourselves apart. Let's build a way of life together. We might need some super glue. We've got to make a space for tauiwi and others who want to live here. Did you see all those people here yesterday that want to live here? Ooh. But you know, you just make space, and even for others who want to live here, I invite them into our tikanga so we can work together as Aotearoa. The Kotahitanga I'm thinking of is about a way of life, not a committee, not a board. First, we need to dream, be creative, sing waiata, let our culture flow. When I watch our tamariki perform, my heart is full. So let's start there and prioritize what truly matters. Our kotahitanga can be whatever we decide. It doesn't mean we give up anything. It's all about us together, side by side. In the last 9 months, we've travelled a lot across the motu and around the world. Our culture is what makes Aotearoa special. Our reo, our tikanga. When we travel overseas, we are respected and we are valued. But at home, things feel a bit different. Just last week, we returned from France, from the Olympics. Everything came together. Pākehā, Māori, all of us. Team New Zealand was amazing. And their use of our tikanga Māori as a voice for all of Aotearoa was very special. I want to honour them and all others like them. Tikanga Māori should be at the forefront of being a New Zealander. It is what can unite us because it comes from this land. Our culture brings us together. Let's celebrate our Maori identity. Every day, we can all do this. It will help us grow. Growing together is the key. We've come a long way as a country, and we can go even further. Let's not give up now. Te tiriti o Waitangi is between Māori and the Crown. Mana to mana. The treaty provides a foundation for us all to work together. Let's not change it or review it. I want us to get to a place where Māori and the government don't always need to fight. Fighting is bad for our mokopuna. The past has not been kind to te iwi Māori. That's a fact. So let's change the future. I do not want politicians to lead this conversation about nationhood. The kōrero should be handled over to us, the people. Everything they do in Wellington is about getting votes for the next election. My call to the government is to set up a non-political group to discuss our country's future under te tiriti. Let the people speak. We deserve to be heard. You know, they only listen to us every 3 years when they want our vote. For a big kaupapa like this, we should return to our tikanga and work through it together. Whakarongo mai. Are you listening, Wellington? There is a better way. I believe in the power of tikanga Māori to unite our nation. Our tikanga is here to bring us together, not to divide us. You may remember at the huiaiwi, I asked to hear from the four winds. We've heard from the west, the north, and the east. Now it's time to hear from the south. I'm looking forward to travelling to Ngaitahu in October to hear their kōrero. There's no rush to have all the answers. My final message today is for us, te iwi Māori. Our people have come together. This is Kotahitanga. This year we've united across the motu and here at Koroneihana. We celebrate our whakapapa that makes us one. Now the question is, what to do next? There's just one answer. We all have our own roles to play. The key to moving forward is to trust one another. And support each other. You know, sometimes we make things hard for ourselves. Let us embrace this Kotahitanga and just roll with it. We should continue to listen and build together. We all need to be united in this, so kia kaha e te iwi Māori. Let's stay focused on the pathway ahead. To all our whānau working hard, I see you and I can hear you. Just keep working together to create Kotahitanga for our future. A Kotahitanga that brings happiness for everyone. E te iwi Māori, I believe in our Kotahitanga. I hope you do too. Mai maere.